Today, I'll be showing you how to use Attimis OneBucket with Databricks Serverless Compute. So, as a recap, Attimis OneBucket provides a global data orchestration layer that allows Databricks workloads, including serverless compute and all-purpose clusters, to interact with distributed object storage using a single unified S3 compatible endpoint, which is s3.attimis.cloud. So in this workflow, we can demonstrate a serverless approach. And in cell number 1, we have installed the appropriate Python libraries for this workflow. And in cell number 2, we can go ahead and we can configure our unified endpoint. So here we configured s3.attimis.cloud. And we initialized our client and we listed all the files in the public NYC taxi directory. So as you can see, there are two files in this directory, the green trip data and the yellow trip data. And while they appear to be in one single place, they actually live across multiple storage systems. So if we go ahead into our Attimis console, we can see that the policy Attimis 0000 is actually attached to two different endpoints, AWS and Wasabi. And this means that the compute layer only interacts with a single endpoint while Attimis actually manages where the data is physically stored. So when we go to CyberDuck, we see that this data actually lives in two separate places, AWS and Wasabi. Going back to Databricks, now we can read the taxi data into a single data frame, create a new column, merge the two data sets together, and we can create a Delta Lake table from the combined data frame. So let's go ahead and run this. Perfect. So if we go ahead and we refresh, we can see that Attimis is configured to write to multiple storage endpoints at the same time. So the Delta table is automatically written to each configured location. And in this example, the New York City taxi Delta table is replicated to both AWS and Wasabi storage systems, while Databricks interacts with the single endpoint.